How to use Todoist labels. Want to group tasks across projects? Here's how to use Todoist labels effectively. So step 1, select a task. And then from here, you'll find this labels section. So click on this labels and then click on the plus button at the right side of label. And then go ahead and create a label. So simply enter it here. And then click on create, and that would be added for your label. So you can go ahead and select and set this label for each of that specific task which that labels applies for. So you can easily filter by labels. So you can go ahead and search it from here and then organize your workflow. So use labels like errands for outside tasks, deep work for a focused session, or quick for tasks under 5 minutes. Keep labels short and clear. Use them for context and not categories, and stick to 5 to 7 core labels to avoid clutter.